In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete a Trello board. So let's just say I want to go ahead and delete this board right here. What I'll need to do, it's very simple, is just click on here at the right hand side where it says show menu, click on show menu. Then you can see an option that says more with the three dots there, click on that. And then right at the bottom there, it says close board. Now, if I go ahead and click on this, you can read, it says you can reopen the board by clicking the boards menu from the header, selecting view closed boards, finding the board and clicking reopen. So there's no way to delete it completely because you can get it back again. But if you don't want to see it anymore, you can go ahead and click the red close button and then that will delete the Trello board. So that is quick and simple to do, and that is how you delete a Trello board in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.